are celebrating the last day of National Farmers Market Week. We're at the Phoenix downtown, the Phoenix Public Market in downtown Phoenix, and there's so much going on today. I'm so excited to be celebrating because, guys, it's about more than just the local foods and the local goods and things, although that's a big benefit of coming, but it really is an experience. There is so much to do out here. There's live music. Everybody has dogs. You see all the cute dogs. And then there's this place here. I'm so excited to tell you because it's a free draft. I told you we're making t-shirts today, right? And here's my friend, Daphne. How are you? Daphne is one of my best friends, and she's one of my fun people. She brings the fun out of me. Right? Okay, so we're at Recycle City, and I'm so excited because we're learning how to make bags out of t-shirts.
This is super cool. So
it's so fun.
Michaela. And she's doing this actually for free all day today, right?
Yep, exactly.
So if you come out, you can learn how to do this, but we'll quickly show you how to do it. So
it's an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. That's all.
T-shirt and scissors.
Yep, you get an old t-shirt, you lay it out, you can mark it up like I've done on this one. You can mark it up to make sure you got the line straight, or you can just kind of go freehand because it's not that important for it to be exact. But you cut the sleeves off, you cut the neckline out, and then you cut a few strips up the bottom. And you'll tie them together eventually.
So
let
me show you how you're going to do
it.
Yeah. So I cut a few, and Michaela already kindly has this lined up. So you just cut these right here. So I cut 3, as you see, and then you take each one and you tie it up, and that's what closes the bottom. So you can put stuff in the bottom of the bag. So you just go through, you do this, you can do a double knot, you can do a twist tie knot, however you want to.
Square knot, whatever you want is fine. You can also flip these inside if you don't like the look of the tassels.
Let me show you this. This is cool.
So cool. So you get your favorite shirt.
So this is like, really, this is a bag, but it does look like a bag when you flip it inside and out. Let me flip it inside and out and show people what it looks like without the tassels on the end. Now that kind of looks like a bag. Go ahead, put that in there. And there you go. Voila. So there you go. You have a t-shirt bag. It costs you practically nothing. It took a total of maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I think that's fantastic. So
you can have whatever you want, a front, whatever you want kind of shirt. Right?
That's right. Exactly.
So what would be on your shirt? Your bag.
My shirt would be like, I'm fantastic.
Of course.
And my name is Daphne.
Of course. Okay, so it's a lot, but I also want to talk about what you guys do because this is so cool. So it's called Recycled City, and you're helping kind of the farmer and all of those who want to pretend, or what? Tell me what it's about.
So we do 2 ends of the life cycle of your fruits and veggies. We do composting, or a composting service. We pick up all of your scraps and turn them into usable soil, which we can bring back to you. And then with the extra soil we have left over, we also grow local produce. It's organically grown, and then we do farm boxes with that. And those farm boxes, the proceeds go to help farmers get their start. It funds seeds for new farmers. So we do veggie boxes and we do the composting. So we do both ends of that life cycle.
Now, how much waste do you have to have for you to have someone come pick that up? Because this is really cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, you can do as little as 1 bucket a month, 4 buckets a month, whatever you use. Everyone has, we do a free 2-week trial for everyone to figure out how it works, because you don't know how much you're going to make until you've already kind of done it for a couple weeks, and then you're like, oh. So usually people think, oh, it's not going to be that much, but then you end up maybe having some cilantro and apples and whatever go bad in your fridge. It's in the back and you don't see it, it goes bad, and then you stick it right in the bucket, and you don't have to worry that it's going into a dump, into a landfill, and going to sit there next to diapers and couches. It's going to be reused and remade and reborn into fruits and vegetables.
Okay, so then I give you all my waste, and then you turn it into compost, and then I can come and pick it up from you.
We will drop it off. We drop off the compost to your house.
Or wait, it's free?
It's free.
What?
So,
what? I told you.
The compost is free with this service, and then you can either use it in your garden, or if you'd rather, we can drop it at your mom's house. We can drop it at your church.
Oh my God, we are so talking. Okay, Recycled City LLC is what it's called.
So it's recycledcity.com.
Right, okay.
So you get people in the door by showing them this free nice t-shirt, how to make it.
And then you tell them what you're really about.
But that's all about self-sufficient.
Right.
Yeah. We love you for green deserts.
Right.
The farmer's market, like I said, it's about more than just the food, the veggies, the drinks. They have all of that local stuff, but this is still all we're showing you how to be self-sufficient.
Right.
And save money.
And it's free.
Yes.
That's what I love.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, it's greendesert.org.
Greendesert.org, you guys know. So we're going to watch this a little bit because, like I said, experience is what the farmers market is about. I want to know which ones you guys are visiting and what you're doing, but there's music out here. You've got activities, there's balloons and all of that good stuff. Now we're going to shop. I come out here, my family comes out about every Saturday.
Bye.
Stop saying bye. I'm still talking.
Do.
I want to tell people about what I do every week. I come out here so that I can get stuff that's not growing in my garden. So it's not like you even have to buy things, but now we're going to go because Daphne's ignoring me,
right,
and she's being that friend.
Thanks for letting me
I want
visit.
you guys to wait a minute.
Oh, okay, so talking.
So we're at the Phoenix Public Market. It's from 8 to noon every Saturday, and they have all these things all the time. It's hot, but not too bad today. So coming out, if you guys have time, we're going to go do some shopping. And
I'm leaving you alone, but come back.
Okay,
I'll be talking to McKinley. This is a fantastic program. Bye.